Hi everyone, I'm Gian Sitakun Pongrunkit from cybersecurity engineering courses on the tutorial of Wednesday, 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. So today I'm gonna update about my next iteration from the last one, uh, about creating facial recognition doorknob system. So as you know that like my project is about have a camera at the door, like detect uh, the house owner face, and then like if it's the correct face, so the door can unlock the door. I mean like the lock is unlocked. Like we can get into the house by using solely our face. Mm. So from last time that I talked about, uh, I can detect a human face, but it's air all the human face because there's a source. I mean, like open source for the model that already trained to detect face of human, like have eyes, have a nose, all the shadow is like this one is human, but I can't. But in order to create a model that can detect with a specific person, for example, detect only me and the rest of the people in the world should be not be able to detect it. And I need a lot of data. I mean, like a heap, like a bunch of data, maybe thousands of photo of myself. So how can I get all of this data? It's impossible for me to like just selfie by myself or like take a lot of photo. And actually, I tried that one once, and I felt it's not a good idea to do it. In order to have all of the data, here's what I did in the first time, which is about uh, see here, like all this photo is the one that I take a photo myself, even like with the front camera of my laptop or with the my phone. But as you see in here, all of this photo, it's not practical at all. It's not really be able to be used because uh, all of this gonna be like a picture that we tell our model that this is my face, so recognize this one. But imagine there's lots of like space here. If I tell my model that this one is my face, it can think that like the fan is at the back or the window right here is also my face. So that means if I'm not sitting in this angle of the camera, it's impossible to detect my face at all. You see here all of this. And so what we really need is about just only the face, just only the shape of face. So what I did, it's not a really good thing. It's uh just crop everything one by one. Yeah, it's a really silly idea, but and after I do this like for 10 or 20 picture, I think like, oh, this is not a good idea at all. So what I come up here is that from the last time that I can detect my face with in real time with the front camera of my laptop, so I think it's a good thing if we can capture the image there, like that already detect, because from the model that I have before, it can detect my face correctly, but it just detect every face, right? If we can use that model and export with just the area that we detect the face, so that means I can create a thousand of data with just using like sitting in front of the laptop and using a video. So this is what I came up with. uh, I'll put it right here. Here's a bunch of code that I'm gonna explain it after this. But for today, uh, I mean like for all the code I'm gonna explain in the blog anyway. But for today, I'm just show how it works. So as you see here, I'm gonna put it right here to be able to see in real time. This is the directory that I gonna store the output of the photo of my face, and on this side gonna have a webcam, I mean the video camera. So I'll run the program right now. As you see here at the beginning, all you see like every time when it detect my face, the new picture create here, and all the picture is, oh shit, give me a second. Where is it? Here's it. Oh, it's not a good face. All right, I can take out my glasses. All of this is the picture that created in real time. As you see, like it's 120 picture already. Yeah, and still keep going up as long as There's my face on here, and when I put my face off, there's no detection. It's not gonna generate anything. And from this, I can use all this data to make my model. I mean, like, this is one of the way to prepare the data to create a model, because we all need like a lot of it in order to make a proper facial recognition model. So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you.